Hello, this is Amanda from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Would you like to know how to set up your preferred customer discount settings using your Market Power Pro MLM software? So I'm logged in and I'm in an admin account and I'm going to go to Plans and then Preferred Customer Settings, and that brings me right here. So before we start, just want to let you know what the preferred customer discount settings are. So they're only applied for customers and they have to purchase an auto ship. And then you set up the criteria of how much they have to either reach a certain dollar amount, CV, or points, depending on the SKU, how you set up. And once they meet that, they'll receive the discount that you would like them to have. So for this one, it's set up as 15% of 20 PSV, which would be a dollar amount, which the PSV stands for personal sales volume. But before I get there, I just want to kind of show you that you can turn on and off the preferred discounts for the customers if you would like, just by unflagging this. And you can see it's off, and then this is how you turn it back on. And you can always change these as well. So right now it's set for 15%, and to set that up, it's 15.00. Or if you want to do 20%, you do 20.00. Do any amount that you would like, and this will show up in a percent. This is only for auto ships at the moment. Now when you're in here, you'll see auto ship, smart ship, and both. We do not have smart ship right now. We just have auto ship. Even if you do choose both, this will still only be applied to auto ships. And here's where you can set, once this is met, then the discount will be applied. So let's go over CV and points. These are both applied on the SKU. So I have a SKU open behind here. And here you can see CV, commission value, and points earned. For this particular SKU that I have up, the CV is set for 12 and the points earned is set for 12. So regardless, if you put 12, if you have the commission value radio button selected or the points earned, then the customer would select whatever amount you would like them to as a percentage off. So let's look back here. So if I have the CV selected and I set it for 12, and it's an auto ship. So if a customer came in and they purchased an auto ship that had a CV on the SKU set for 12, they would receive a 20% discount. All right, and same thing for the points. PSV is a dollar amount. So in this scenario, if they purchase a $20 auto ship, they'll receive a 20% discount if they're a customer. You want to make sure and select the plan that you have. And then the auto ship button, make sure that's selected. There's two choices. If I am purchasing products and there's associated auto ships, it will give me my percent discount on my first order. And the second, if I am purchasing a product and signing up for an auto ship, the discount will be applied on my future orders. So in the first scenario, this is if you have your auto ships associated. In the second scenario, it's if you're going to have your customers, your users, sign up for the auto ships. So when you're associating auto ships, they look a little different. I have some set up in this test system. So I'm going to go to Shop and Buy Now. This is the one that I have set up as an associated auto ship, so I'm going to click on that. So here's the one-time purchase. Here's the one-time purchase with an associated auto ship. So when I add this to the cart, I'm going to go ahead you will see it added to the shopping cart. Now if I click on associated auto ship, you will see that my monthly recurrence pattern comes up and how I have the auto ship configured, and you can see it's $20. Now you don't see any preferred customer pricing. For one thing, I don't know if I saved it before I came over here, but also I'm not signed in as a customer. So for me to be able to see that pricing, I would need to be signed in as a customer. So let's take a look at the other product I have set up. I have this set up as when a customer would actually sign up for the auto ship. So it's under cosmetic nail polish and lipstick. Let's click on that. So here's the one-time purchase, and here's the auto ship. So when I click on the auto ship, you'll notice that it is not added to my cart. Here is where I actually sign up for the auto ship. So then I'm going to go through the process. And then I would go ahead and put in all my information, save and close, accept my terms and conditions. And at this point is when I would be signed up for the auto ship. Then on my next order, I would go ahead and qualify for my preferred customer pricing. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to the plans and preferred customer settings. And I'm going to go ahead and save that. Before I sign in as a customer, I just want to go to the products and show you how the SKU looks different as well in the back. So let's first go to the one that has the associated auto ship, the Cosmetic Pink Blush. Here's the product. I'm going to click on the SKUs. You'll see it has 3 SKUs. So here's the Cosmetic Pink Blush that says monthly purchase here because this is what they see in the shopping cart. And here's the one-time purchase, and here's the associated. So you could see that in the shopping cart as well, that it said associated. So this is 3 different SKUs set up for the product. Let's go to the other one. This is 2 SKUs. Here's the auto ship and the one-time purchase. So this is a little bit more simple to set up, but more time consuming for the user when they're adding it, and also not able to add it as a preferred customer pricing for a customer. So different options for you, but that explains the radio buttons and how they apply to how you have it set up. And for the last thing, I'm just going to go ahead and sign in as a customer so you can see how this preferred customer pricing shows up. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to sort as customer. And then I'm just going to pick a customer to sign in as here, and it'll say edit customer right here. So I know this is a customer. I'm going to sign in as this person. Now they will not have the pricing yet. It'll show it marked out because until they add the auto ship, they don't qualify for that pricing. I'm going to click on this one. And you can see here, there's the preferred customer price. It's blocked out because they actually have to add the auto ship. And once they add the auto ship into their cart, then they'll be able to see that they qualify for the price. So that shows you how you can set up your preferred customer pricing for your customers. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a Multisoft account executive, please call us at 1-239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.